beautiful day and we're going to teach you how to make a bird feeder. Okay, so now let's think about the materials we will need. So you will need a bottle that will be the structure. We have and a lid that goes with the bottle. You will also need something for a bird to perch on. Some rubber bands or some garden twine. And if you want, you can have some things to make it look good. We're going to use a few of these. And you'll need some glue. We have school glue. And you will also need scissors. Be very careful. You might need a grown-up for this. You like the birds in the background? You will also need a marker. And here's the Sharpie we're using. We're using a thick one. Okay, so let's get creating. Okay, so the steps. You will take your bottle. You can take off the cap if you like. Put my cap down. I use an orange juice bottle. Okay, so then you will take your marker. So I'm going to have my assistant, Eliza, or as we call her, Mom. This is not the clone. This is, well, the alien cloned her. Right. Okay, so we will do a whole, a circle, draw a circle right about here, like not at the bottom, but like so on top of it, but not like right in the middle. Take one right here and one right here, so they're opposite each other.
And do we want them the same length as that?
They have to be as big as the thing you're using for the perch. So ours will be like that. You could draw a circle if you're using a spoon, whatever suits. So she's gonna.
Can you measure with your hands how far up you want it?
Yes.
Okay.
So she's gonna. P.S. If it's a thick bottle, you're gonna need a grown-up to help. You should ask a grown-up to supervise you anyway. Okay. So let's just keep it with cutting holes. So we made it. So we made a hole for the slit for the our ruler. You can use a spoon, whatever you think, to go through. So now we're gonna cut a little circle about this much on top of above the line you did for your perch to go through.
Should kids do this on their own?
No, if it's well, you should probably ask for a grown-up to supervise you.
Absolutely ask for a grown-up.
Yes.
Because if you're using sharp tools, you cannot do it on your own, right?
Okay, good. So, Mom here is doing it.
Okay.
You can do on both sides if you want, or if you don't want to, you don't have to. So now you're going to take your bottle and your perch.
I put it in the...
Yeah, come on.
I can put it in
The Wesley here is going to help.
I can put it in
I'll hold this for you, and we're going to put it in.
right here.
That plastic can be a little sharp too, so you might need a grown-up for this too.
Yes. If you feel a little unsure, definitely ask a grown-up. So,
Yeah. If you need a grown-up, you could ask Mom or everyone who
or
needs
you're a grown-up. Can you?
Yeah, do you need a hand?
Yeah,
I'm
please.
happy to help.
Yeah, happy to help. It's good. Good.
There we go.
Woo! Does everyone like this? So
Uh,
the bird will land right here. Okay, so we're gonna go grab some bird seeds. So we have our bird seeds now. Okay,
Okay.
so you might need a funnel or a piece of paper that you can turn into a funnel, or you might need one, not one at all, to put the bird seeds, we have a few at the bottom, into your almost done bird feeder. So I'm going to take a piece of paper because all the funnels we have
Funnel.
are too small. So, is this good?
Well, you have to get the bottom to fit into it and the top to be wider. Okay, so that'll work.
So I'm
Wes,
gonna hold this.
Why don't you pour
when
it
Wes
in?
tries to pull it in. Slowly.
Good. Good work. Pour more.
Okay, so now Wesley is gonna take the lid and screw it on.
Now.
So this is our bird feeder. We're gonna
Careful
need some.
about shaking it because the seed will pop right out.
Oh,
Just
so go out of the hole. So now, if you want, you can take some things you got, Wes, you're not hanging, and put it so it can be nice.
Put glue.
Dinosaurs. And then I have a big rubber band, 2 big rubber bands. I'm gonna use my bigger one, the red one. I'm gonna take it. You can use garden twine for this. You wrap it around. Garden string. I don't think this is strong enough.
we might need string too.
Yeah, just an experiment. And our experiment failed.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go grab some. So we got some
Wire.
Wire. We couldn't find any string.
Picture wire. So again, who should do this part?
Me.
A parent.
A parent.
Or
No,
a
I'll
guardian
do-
that's
I'll
with
do
you.
it.
Nope.
Oh. So she's twisting that around so it stays.
And then I will cut the wire a little longer.
So you can make something to hang.
I'm trying to twist it back in so that there's not a little jabby piece.
Right. About
I think-
right here.
I think back here, right?
Okay.
Okay, so I'll go get scissors.
Okay, so we're gonna hang up the bird feeder we just made where we hanged up our last ones. Our last ones are looking very weathery.
Yeah.
They've been weathered a lot. They're all brown,
Yeah.
the peanut butter.
Yeah.
And we once saw a squirrel climb up and attack it.
No, the squirrel trying to eat
Yeah,
cat.
we didn't see any birds do it. That's because we don't have eagle eye. So she's hanging it up.